If you want to learn some of these injections and some of these techniques, please join me at Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for a live patient workshop this year. Watch the rest of this video for more information and click the link below.
Improve your diagnostic and ultrasound-guided orthobiologic injection techniques with the American Academy of Orthopedic Medicine's live patient workshop this August 31st through September the 6th in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. You'll learn the most up-to-date regenerative injection techniques for the most common orthopedic injuries, starting with the intra and the extra-articular structures of the upper extremities. We'll cover the shoulder, elbow, hand and wrist injuries, along with lower extremity structures, including the knee, hip, and ankle and foot pathology. The lumbar spine techniques dealing with facets, sacroiliac joint and ligaments will also be covered, along with much, much more. The participant faculty ratio is typically a 2-to-1 to 3-to-1, along with 43 CME hours available. This course will take place in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, and lodging will be at the all-inclusive Crown Paradise Golden Hotel. So click the link below, sign up today, and improve your accuracy, technique, and knowledge in the growing field of regenerative injection techniques with the AOM, a name you can trust.